Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this eye makeup tutorial right here using the new Colourpop Going Coconuts eyeshadow palette. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications if you haven't already, and let's get started with this eyeshadow makeup tutorial. I am using the Colourpop Going Coconuts eyeshadow palette. This is their newest addition to these 9 eyeshadow pans. I have used it off camera, obviously. You can see that I've used them, and I'm obsessed with this palette. So I just wanted to create a soft glam for you guys. The first color that I'm going to go in with is this one over here. It's called Colorete, this one up here. That shade is more of a cool tone brown, so I'm just gonna sweep that on my eye. So at the top part. So this is going to be mostly a matte eyeshadow look. Well, this one has a little bit of fallout, so be careful with that. It does have a lot of payout. I like it. It's like a nice cool tone brown. But you guys know my love for warm tones. So that's the next shade. I'm going to take the shade Lovely Bunch. This one here. Sorry if I sound sick. I've been gone for like 2 weeks because it was Thanksgiving last week and then I got sick. So I've been sick for 2 weeks now. So I'm barely getting out of it. And I'm sorry for going MIA on you guys. And this brush is the Makeup Shack T93. So see how it added a little bit of warm tone in there? That's what I was going for. And this look is not going to be that dark. I'm going to keep it pretty light. I think the darkest shade that I'm taking is this one called Shell Yeah, which is this one here. That's going to be the darkest on the crease. And I'm just taking the Sigma E25. It's going to be a little bit under, which is right here. And to cut the crease, I'm just using my P. Louise base and the shade 2, which is this one here. And I'm just going to use a flat brush. Making my way up there, just up here. Just wanted to create something soft for the holidays or something. If you guys want to recreate this for Christmas, you guys can definitely do that. I'm just taking the lightest shade, which is called Shredded. This one up here. I'm going to pack that on the lid. Now I'm taking the JH30 by Jaclyn Hill, and I'm taking Lovely Bunch and just blending that in together. So there's not a harsh line there. You see how that's so soft right there? It's really, really pretty. And then to define it a little bit, the last shade that I'm taking is called Nutty, which is the darkest one here. That's gonna act as an eyeliner. So I'm just taking this angle brush from Urban Decay. It's the Urban Decay Perversion angle brush. I don't know where I got that from. Just gonna define the lash line here. So when I apply lashes, you can't see the band all the way to the inner corner. And you can obviously wing it out. I didn't need to use eyeliner or anything, and look how soft it looks. I really, really enjoy this look. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara. I'm using my Lancome Mazio Big Mascara. I just got a new tube of that. I've missed this mascara so much. I'm just prepping my eyelashes for the falsies. The only shimmer that I'm gonna add is my inner corner. For my inner corner, I'm using this shade up here. It's called palm reader, this one here. Just gonna use like a little flat brush here and add that. That one has a lot of fallout because it's more of a different formula. So I'm just gonna add that here to the inner corner. And the lashes that I'm using today are these ones by Flutter Lashes, and they are called Royalty Double Lift. So I'm just gonna take this Lily Lashes applicator and I'm gonna apply the lashes like so. They are pretty dramatic. They are very, very beautiful lashes. Like, they're not too long, they're full, and it still lets you see the eye look above it, you know, how I cut the crease. So now I'm just gonna do this side off camera, and then I'll be right back to do the lips together, and then we'll do the lower lash line. I am done with both eyes. Now I'm gonna move into lips, and for lip liner I'm using this Morphe lip liner in Sugar Pie, my favorite lip liner in the world. It is so good. And I'm just gonna line my lips, my dry ass lips. And for the lipstick I'm using this MAC lipstick in Bare Bling. It is so good. And moisturizing a little bit. It's my go-to nude right now. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna use the color Lovely Bunch, which is this one here. And I'm just gonna take that with the fluffy brush and kind of squeeze it. Put it down there. I don't want it to be too dark. Since the whole look is very soft, I don't want to make it too dark on the lower lash line. So I'm done with my makeup look. This is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm really enjoying the soft look with these lashes. You can really see them. Because when I create darker looks, you can't really see the lashes, and that bugs me a lot. So now that I created the soft look, you can really see the lashes. The palette is amazing. I love every single shade and how it has a mix of cool tones and warm tones. You can definitely create a great look with this palette. I've created another look with this one here in the middle, and it was like obviously where the soft white is at. Instead of using that, I used this one, and it's amazing. So this palette is really a go-to, like an everyday palette, and you can obviously use it to go out with these dark shades. I just love Colourpop formula. It's so nice. I did order their Bare Necessities big palette, so that's coming soon. Let me know if you want a tutorial with that one. It's like a big version of this one, the Bare Necessities, so I can't wait to put my hands on that. This one I'm mostly gonna travel with. In January I am going to Big Bear, so I'm definitely gonna take this with me and just create some soft looks. Since it is gonna be cold, I'm not gonna go all out, you know. It has all the shades that you need. For some people, they like a black shade. I don't really mind if it doesn't have a black shade. This will be my darkest shade that I would use, and I don't really mind. So yeah, this palette is such a go-to, and I guess a lot of people are saying that the soft glam is trending, so I wanted to create something like this for you guys, so you guys can recreate it if you do have this palette. This palette retails for $12. In the back it tells you the shade names as well, and it does have a nice mirror that you can take with you when you travel. So yeah, definitely check this one out. You guys know I'm a fan of Colourpop, and I always create looks with them. Like the peach palette I loved, and I think the blue moon one was amazing as well. But yeah, definitely check out Going Coconuts. It's so nice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.